In this video, I'll demonstrate using a white water-erasable pen to transfer my design onto a dark fabric. This fabric's weave is loose enough for light to come through, but too dark for my other pens. As I draw, you'll notice that the marks are very faint at first. As the ink dries, the marks will become more visible. Once I'm done stitching, I'll be able to wash the marks away with water. Sometimes this particular pen can be hard to wash out. If that's the case, I'll let my fabric soak and/or I'll use just a bit of soapy water to get it clear.